Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's been a minute, but I am back. It's been a long minute. It's been like 2 years minute. Shame. But I'm here now. Thank you guys who are still subscribed to me. We got to keep this going, and I'm going to keep it going. I'm going to be posting videos consistently. I don't care what I got to do. I'm going to still do it. Even if it's a video recorded off of my phone, I'm going to make sure that I'm consistent because I love doing makeup videos. But anyways, I'm doing this really beautiful look using the Huda Beauty Nude palette that I got from Sephora. So if you want to see this beautiful look, then keep watching. Okay, so I added my concealer to my eyes and I used my MAC NC42 concealer. The first color I'm using is this brownish color called Teddy. I'm just going to start by placing the color. And you're going to do that in a patting motion. So I really want the color to be there. And then we can blend. And you notice, like, when you pat to apply the color, like it stays, as opposed to you just starting off by, you know, swishing it back and forth. You know, you just want to place the color to make sure that it's stamped there. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and blend it out. It's a nice circular motion. Then I will use this color called Love Bite, and it's really like a Love Bite type color, so like a hickey type color. And that I'm going to apply in my corner crease. I decided I want to do like a halo look, so I'm going to apply that Love Bite also to the inner corners. Not all the way in the inner corner, but so basically, where have I been? Well, I've still been around. Like, I still am doing makeup almost every day. Why haven't I been on YouTube? First of all, like, I missed it like a lot. And like, I would come back and make a video and then I would disappear. You know, just life. I had a son last year, so now I have 3 children, and that was really like the thing that kind of course took precedence over everything. But you know, I just didn't really have time, and then I moved. And, you know, just, you know, I still work. I still have a regular 9-to-5 job. So, you know, dealing with 3 kids and, you know, working all the time. It's just hard to really take time out to make videos. So that's pretty much the reason why I haven't been doing any videos. So this palette comes with like a cream. It's called Concealed, and I'm sure it can work for some people. This is the color, you know, to work as an actual concealer. I'm not sure if that's what it's for, but this palette does come with, you know, a lot of you know, glitters and stuff, so you may need extra help to allow the colors to stick. So that color I'm just going to just put in the middle, and I'm just gonna go a little slightly above my crease. But really keeping it in the middle. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You're gonna go over it with eyeshadow anyway. So just kind of get the outline going. So on top of that concealed part, I'm going to use this color called Play. And that's just going to go right on top. And I'm just patting it on here. Alright, so now we're going to go back with that Love Bite color. And make sure you tap off excess and just where that Play color and the Love Bite color meet, that's where you're going to really blend it out. So on top of that Play color, I'm going to add this glitter color. It's called Daydream. You can see it's like a champagne pink color. And I'm not going to use a brush, I'm just going to use my finger. And then that same color Teddy that I used, the very first color that I used, I'm just going to go back and just blend. I added a little bit more product to the brush. So for my highlight under my eyes, under my brow, I'm going to use this color called Bear. You know, just a little light brush. Alright, so I'm using my e.l.f. gel liner. I'm going to use my Maybelline Dewy Smooth Fit Me foundation. This is like my favorite right now. It applies on so good. It's shade Toffee number 330, and I just love it so much. At first when I was trying this shade, I thought it was not my shade, but once it oxidizes, like, it's weird because it looks like it's not the right shade on camera, but it is. And I like how this is like medium to full coverage. You can build it up. Totally up to you how you want to do it. But I never wear like a whole bunch of foundation anyway, so this coverage is perfect. So one of my favorite concealers that I still use to this day is LA Girl HD Pro Conceal. And the shade I use is Warm Honey. I'm just applying my setting powder, and I'm using my Ben Nye banana powder, which is classic. I still use it. I love it. So I'm going to contour with my MAC Dark Deep Pro Longwear. You know, sometimes with life you just kind of gotta roll with the punches and you can't do everything that you really want to do. And that was totally my case. Like, so I would like tell myself, okay, record a video. Record a video. Obviously did not happen. I guess I just let life, and you know, that's natural, like life happens and you can't dedicate your time how you want to. You just kind of gotta wait until you're able to be dedicated to it, you know, and then just go for it. So I'm gonna put my MakeupShayla Big Shot mascara on first before I apply some lashes. Going back to the eyes, I'm going to use that Love Bite color, the one that I have here on the outsides. For the blush, I'm going to use MAC Format. Just focus it mostly here. And as you can see, like, you can go in any order when you do your makeup. You know, sometimes people think that you need to do your foundation first or do the eyes first. It's up to you. Whatever works for you. So for my highlight, I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Bar of Gold palette. Like these are the 3 colors from the highlighter palette. So I'm going to mix these 2. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to use this lip liner called Magenta. This is from the crayon case. And then I'm going to go over using my Revlon lip gloss. This one is called Simply Super Natural. It's so glossy. It's not sticky at all. And it's so smooth. So this is my completed look. So many different options with this beautiful palette. But anyways, it's really great to be back. I hope you guys love this look, and I am going to be more consistent, going to make sure that I upload videos because I really miss it. Like, there's so much good stuff out there. I'm always buying makeup, just all the time, and you know, I've been blogging, like all type of stuff makeup related, and I need to get back to what I love to do, and that's making YouTube videos. So again, thank you guys so much. Everyone who's still subscribed, who's been rocking with me since day 1, I really thank you. I love you guys. I appreciate y'all. So I will see you next video. Take care, guys. Bye.